Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Mayapur ki jai. And Nrsimhadev Bhagavan ki jai. Satyam vidatum nidavritya bhashitam. Yaptim cha bhutyeshu akileshu tatmanha. Adrishatat yadbhuta rupam udhan. Stambe sabhayam. Na mrigam. Na manusham. Just to keep the promise, just to keep the word of Prahlad Maharaj, Lord Nrsimhadev had come out of the pillar just to protect. And we are going to celebrate the grand celebration of Nrsimha Chaturdasi, starting from the 13th to the 15th. 13th, we are having a grand Palki procession of Lakshmi Nrsimhadev. On the 14th, we are having Adivas, we are having Abhishek, oil Abhishek, and on the 15th, the grand Abhishek of Nrsimhadev. And also on the 14th, we are having the Maha Sudarshan Yagya in Sriram Mayapur. From the co-directors, His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, His Grace Hridaya Chaitanya Prabhu, His Grace Subhekshana Prabhu, and from the chairman of the Temple of Vedic Planetarium, Ambrish Prabhu, and from the rest of the Mayapur, we will invite all of you to come to Sriram Mayapur to witness the grandest, greatest celebration of Nrsimha Chaturdasi. So please don't miss this opportunity. Also, if you could not come, watch live on Mayapur TV. Mayapur TV is broadcasting all the event of Nrsimha Chaturdasi live for all of you to watch. And the details of the Abhishek and the Yagya, I have here with me Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu. He is going to describe what is going to happen. The grand celebration. Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, you can please tell them what we are going to do in Sriram Mayapur to celebrate Lord Nrsimha Chaturdasi.
Hare Krishna. So as Prabhu has mentioned, on the 13th, we will take Shri Lakshmi Nrsimhadev on the Palki procession around the campus. We have thousands of devotees coming for the procession. There will be lots of bhoga offerings. Devotees are lovingly making rangolis, some out of flowers, some out of colors, making bhoga, some making multiple bhogas. Everybody eager to serve the Lord in their own capacity. Then we will also take a community to Ganga. Everybody is welcome to join so they can fill up their water and offer it to Nrsimhadev. The first time when we did this, we didn't know if it was going to be successful or no. We started with hardly 5 of us from Mayapur, Radhamadava's courtyard. But by the time we reached Srila Prabhupada's Samadhi, we had more than 200 devotees following us. At the end, we ended up with altogether 7,000 liters of ingredients that we offered to Lord Nrsimhadev. And over past 3 years, we've been doing this, and it's been multiplying every year. Then, for Maha Sudarshana Homa, which is happening at 5:30 in the morning on the 14th, we will be offering 10,000 ahutis with different mantras, offering Sudarshan Mahamantra, Nrsimhadev 108 names, Sudarshana 108 names, etc. Then, in the evening, on the 14th, there is this Adhivas ceremony where we offer 27 different auspicious ingredients to the Lord. Each one of them has its own importance. And the main purpose is to make sure that with our mind, with our body, with our soul, we are all focused on serving Nrsimhadev on his appearance day. On Nrsimha Chaturdasi, as we mentioned 3 years ago, 7,000 liters of ingredients. Last year, we had more than 10,000 liters of ingredients. We are all now wondering, this year, how more nicely can we serve the Lord? This time, we even made this special attempt. We dry roasted the saffron to be put inside the honey so it looks even better. Nrsimha, trying more and more, better and better ways of serving the Lord. So, please come, participate, and make Nrsimhadev more happy. Hare Krishna.
And also, next year, we are opening the grand temple, Nrsimhadev temple next year. And this time from Akshay Tritiya till Nrsimha Chaturdasi, Ambrish Prabhu is matching up to $250,000. All of you who donate this time, that is being matched by Ambrish Prabhu. So this is a great opportunity. There are medallions, gold medallion, silver medallion, bronze medallion. Let us all come together and make it happen. Let us contribute to build this temple of Vedic planetarium for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada, for the pleasure of Pankajangri Prabhu, who was the head Pujari, and we miss him dearly. And this Nrsimha Chaturdasi is specifically dedicated to His Grace Pankajangri Prabhu. We remember him very, very dearly. He was very close to us. And this Nrsimhadev is dedicated to His Grace Pankajangri Prabhu. And this temple opening, the Nrsimhadev temple opening in 2023 is also dedicated to His Grace Pankajangri Prabhu. So please participate. Let us come together. Let us build this temple. For more information, visit Mayapur TV or www.tovp.org. All the details regarding this festival is there. So let us stay connected and let us together participate either online or offline in this greatest celebration of Nrsimha Chaturdasi 2022. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.